Bay East Marketing Group meetings have returned to in-person and still offer virtual options as well. Realtors and affiliates are encouraged to attend these meetings to promote listings and discuss clients' wants and needs, network with successful and knowledgeable real estate professionals, hear from prominent guest speakers, and to discuss relevant real estate issues that could potentially impact your business. Attend any of the following marketing meetings. AIM, Alameda Inforum and Marketing Meeting, will continue meeting virtually every second Tuesday at 9 a.m. CCMG, Central County Marketing Group, will hold hybrid meetings every Wednesday at Knudson's Restaurant Ice Creamery, located at 3323 Castro Valley Boulevard in Castro Valley at 9 a.m. TCMC, Tri-Cities Marketing Council, will meet the first and third Thursday of each month at 9 a.m. The first meeting will be a hybrid of in-person at the Fremont Downtown Event Center, located at 3500 Capitol Avenue in Fremont, and you can participate virtually as well. The second meeting will only be held virtually. Real Estate Alliance of Livermore will hold hybrid meetings every Thursday at First Street Ale House, located at 2106 First Street in Livermore at 9 a.m. VREN, Valley Real Estate Network, will hold in-person only meetings at Sidetrack Bar and Grill, located at 30 West Angela Street in Pleasanton at 9 a.m. See you there!